Now let's compare the third question. Here I am reading the third question. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. See, I written the question here. So we completed the first question and second question. Exercise 3.2. Question number 2. The third one we are doing. What we are going to find out is check whether the lines representing the pair of linear equations intersecting at a point parallel or coincident. Now we can move to the standard form. So we hope you all are understood about the standard form and the cases also. So what is the standard form? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So we can compare both the equations. So shall I move to the board? So as we know, this is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So let's write what is a1, what is b1, what is c1. What is a1 here? a1 is 6. And compare this position. b1 is minus 3. c2 is 10. Like that we can write a2. This is our first linear equation, second linear equation in two variable. This is the first one, a2, b2, c2. Here a1, b1, c1. So let's write a2 is 2 and b2 is here y. So it is minus 1. Value is minus 1. And c2 is 9. So now we are comparing a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So first of all we are writing what is a1 by a2. 6 divided by 2. And the second one we are doing b1 by b2. Minus 3 by minus 1. I am writing here b1 by b2. Hope you all are understood till now. b1, what is b1? Minus 3 divided by minus 1. And c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is 10 by 9. See, we have to write the shortest form also. 3 2s are 6. So we can write 6 by 2 is 3. Here, negative 1, negative 3. So negatives will be cancelled. 3 by 1 means again it is 3. And 10 by 9 here itself. There is no short form for 10 by 9. So the first two are we got the same answer. See, a1 by a2 equal to 3 and b1 by b2 equal to 3. And the last section we got the different answer. So we can conclude, depending on the what answer we got, we can conclude our equation as a1 by a2 equal with b1 by b2, but it is not equal with c1 by c2. So I am writing a1 by a2 equal with b1 by b2. See, 3 and 3 are equal, but the last section is not equal. So I am using the not equal symbol. c1 by c2. Let's write the values also here. 3 equal to 3, but which is not equal with the 10 by 9. 3 means it is 3 by 1. Here also 3 by 1. But the last section is not equal. Here if you are drawing a pair of lines, you will get the lines are parallel. Means there is no solution. So we already written the cases. It is depending on case. Next case, already discussed two cases. It's the last case. a1 by a2 equal with b1 by b2, which is not equal with c1 by c2. So if you are drawing a graph using our pair of linear equations, how it will be? It will be lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, your answer will be no solution. So let's conclude our answer. The lines are parallel. Our conclusion is, don't forget to note down the conclusion. Lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, there is no solution. There is no solution. So we discuss our three sections. Here for this pair of equations, that is 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, Through these steps, we found out our equation a1 by a2 equal with b1 by b2 not equal with c1 by c2. If you are doing the equation like this, you will get the values like, then the graph will be parallel and there is no solution. So we concluded our 3 questions, sub questions also. Exercise 3.2, question number 2, first, second and third we concluded. Hope you are well understood about what is intersecting, what is coincident and what is parallel. If the lines are intersecting, we will get the equation as a1 by a2 not equal with b1 by b2. Then you will get one solution. That is the first one we did. Here a1 by, here what is different? a1 by a2 equal with b1 by b2 which is not equal with c1 by c2. So you will get lines are parallel and there is no solution. See the second one, how you got? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 which is equal to c1 by c2. Then the lines are coincident and there is infinitely many solutions. So hope you all are well understood. So write down the answers, copy down 3 answers and study well. Thank you.